In this video, I'm going to talk about the Berg balance scale.
Check out our online courses now. The link is in the video description.
Hi and welcome back to Physiotutors. The Berg balance scale is a 56-point scale that aims to quantify balance. It was created in 1989 by health professionals and patient interviews. The scale consists of 14 items that should be scored on a 0 to 4 scale. Let's talk about the clinometrics of this scale. Downs et al. Investigated the reliability of this scale across different populations. The intra-rater reliability was 0.98 and the inter-rater reliability was 0.98 as well. This means that the Berg balance scale has excellent reliability. Oftentimes the Berg balance scale is used to assess the risk of falls, but what does the evidence suggest? Due to the heterogeneity of these studies, it is unclear whether or not the BBS predicts falls. The systematic review by Lima et al. Showed insufficient evidence for predicting falls with the BBS. However, Berg et al. Noted that there was predictive utility in high and low risk groups. So how is this test performed? As I said before, there are 14 items to assess. Examples are sitting to standing, a pivot transfer between chairs, standing unsupported with feet together, picking up objects, turning 360 degrees, etc. The test form is pretty straightforward. There are clear instructions with clear criteria to score your patient. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something today. I am Max for Physiotutors and I will see you in another video. Bye.